This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for August 23rd. Corn was down double digits on Friday as prices were pressured lower by a continued wet forecast for the upper Midwest, as well as the headlines that the EPA and the Biden administration could be moving forward with cutting the U.S. biofuels mandate. After the close, the Pro Farmer Crop Tour released their yield estimate, came in at 177 bushels per acre. Now, the most recent USDA projection was 174.6 bushels. What makes this especially interesting is that this marks only the fourth time in history in which the Pro Farmer number has been above the USDA's August projection. Soybean futures were under a lot of pressure on Friday. They closed nearly 30 cents lower. The 11-day run of export sales came to an end on Friday, although total purchases over those 11 days came in at 78.7 million bushels. Now, the major reason for the price break on Friday was the news that the Biden administration was considering a possible request from the EPA to cut the U.S. biofuels mandate. That mandate is 90% of the reason that we've seen soybean oil rally, of course pulling soybeans along with it. Without the motivation of high RIN values, the entire system is under threat of not expanding in the renewable diesel area, as well as losing production in the biodiesel category. After the close, the Pro Farmer Crop Tour pegged the crop at 51.2 bushels per acre, well above the latest USDA estimate of 50 bushels. Wheat futures followed the corn and soybean markets lower on Friday. They all closed in the red, except the September Minneapolis wheat futures. There really wasn't much news in the wheat market here in the U.S., and spring wheat harvest should be finished up fairly soon. On the international front, we saw things heat up with the Paris September wheat futures setting a new life of contract high. Cotton futures had a slight bounce after the beating they took on Thursday. At the finish, we had December futures 34 points higher, closing at 93.10. Livestock futures were higher straight across the board. At the close, October live cattle were up 90 cents, while September feeder cattle were $2.60 higher. Lean hog futures were stronger as well, with the October futures finishing $1.70 better for the day. Class 3 milk futures were slightly lower to end the week. At the close, we had September futures down 6 points, settling at $17.05. And meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef continued to move higher. They ended the day $3.43 better, closing at $3.4506. Select boxes were up $2.12, settling at $3.1853. Pork carcass cutout values ended the week on a lower note. They closed down $2.14, settling at $119.26 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.